Okay, so this bottle whose this nozzle was broken, so it has been repaired, connected, and the plastic which is used here is taken from this piece, because this can work without this piece. So a small piece from here is removed and melted through the iron solder and fixed here, and now we'll fix it at this place. It needs two screws which are be done with the T20 driver, and let's fix it now. So first of all, we have fixed this lower rubber pipe here, and then it will be fixed at the place, and then the upper pipe will be fixed. So it's crossed from this cable pipe and will be fixed under that, like this. So this is set here, and this one at this screw place set here. This T20 screw will be tightened here, and the other one has been fixed here, and it will be tightened at this position. Make sure that these screws will not fall down, because if they fall down, then it will go inside of the engine body, which will be very hard to remove from there. So be carefully you will put this. And when it is fully tightened, after that this cable we will fix at its proper place. Like this. And from here we remove the plastic piece, because here we don't need a very strong bolt. That's why that is used there. And then the sensor cable we will put here. So this is fixed here. Now we have to put the pipe. Before the pipe, the lower pipe lock has not been fixed, because first you have to check that the pipe is at the correct orientation, means at the correct rotated place, and then with the plier we will put this lock. So with the plier, it has been fixed at its correct place here, and now we will put the upper pipe. Here we have put the tissue, so this tissue will be now removed. So this pipe we have to fix here, in this direction. So it will be fixed here, and this will be fixed here, like this, and it is fixed here. Now the locks.